Now with the weather, here's Paul Higgins.
And indeed, Bridget, it is time for the weather now, brought to you by the Bureau of Meteorology. This is how it would have looked. This is how it would have been introduced back in the 50s with a plain slide like this. Our graphics are a little more sophisticated these days. Out of the mountains, it dropped as low as -1 this morning in Wangaratta, Rutherglen and Warragul. We had a few light showers or drizzle patches across southern Victoria today, 3 millimetres falling at Rill on Phillip Island. The warmest place was Rutherglen, making it to 16 degrees. Freezing this morning in the Yarra Valley, 2 at Scoresby, then a Melbourne city high of 12.5 at 1:08 p.m. That's 1 degree below the long-term average for July, and it's now back to 11. There's been a bit of rain around today in Canberra, Sydney and Brisbane, and even a few showers up in Cairns. This band of cloud from the Arafura Sea right down to the southeast Queensland has been producing some light rain. Another system, which is a trough off the coast of New South Wales, will deepen this weekend and potentially become an east coast low. But for us, light winds with that high just to the west of us and a shower or two tomorrow and Sunday south of the Divide. But potentially flooding rain around Sydney with 50 to 70 millimetres tomorrow, up to 150 on Sunday. Wet in Brisbane as well, and a few showers for Canberra, cloudy in Adelaide. Hobart will be partly cloudy, sunny in Perth. Back home, another mostly cloudy day, as you can see, on and south of the ranges, with a light shower or two in the morning. Cold enough for patchy morning frost and some fog over north central and eastern areas. Then a dry and mostly sunny day across our north. 13 tomorrow across Gippsland, getting up to 15 at Albury-Wodonga. And a frost warning tonight for the northern country, northeast and Gippsland. Smooth sailing on the bay, a south to southeasterly wind below 10 knots. Cloudy in Melbourne tonight with a possible light shower. Tomorrow will be partly to mostly cloudy. There's a chance of light drizzle or a shower in the morning, especially in our north and west, 8 to 13 degrees and light winds. Sunday, partly cloudy, 14 with a south to southeast wind. More partly cloudy weather Monday, Tuesday and Wednesday, slowly getting warmer. Thursday, the chance of a shower, 14, and Friday, a shower or 2 and 13. But tomorrow, cool and mostly cloudy, and I kid you not, this is how that would have been depicted on the weather segment on ABV2 from beautiful Ripponlea in the 50s, Bridge.
Thanks, Paul. And before we go, you may have heard a familiar tune at the start of tonight's program. The news theme, which first started playing in the 1980s, is just one of the many that Australians have become familiar with over the decades of ABC News bulletins. As the ABC celebrates 90 years tonight, we'll leave you with more of that theme and some of the presenters and journalists who've helped tell Australian stories. Thanks for your company. Stay with us. Up next, a farewell special for 7:30 host Lee Sales. Good night.
Because nothing will save the Governor-General.
I only hope the new Darwin has that character.
One of the worst disasters in the history of nuclear power.
Only one brave protester dared resist the tanks.
It's a momentous occasion in the struggle against apartheid.
And Andrew, do you know of any motive?
Not so much in a landslide as an avalanche.